So this is a second video on the 2021 Yamaha MT-07 with the KO Latin exhaust. So this is a couple thousand miles in. Kind of turning gold and blue. Still looks good. Everything still fits nice. Can still looks nice. So I'll give you a little bit better sound bite now that I'm not at work. Yeah, it's right at 2,000 miles, right around there since I put it on. That made all the neighbors mad. And can't see in there at all through the camera, but there's about a 1-inch hole drilled in the end of the baffle there, and then I opened up one of the group of holes going around the outside. You'll see if you order one of these, you'll see the baffle. It's got holes around the outside, but it doesn't have anything in the end. Let's see here. Kind of see the hole in there, I guess. But yeah. So about a 1-inch hole, and then I opened up one line of them, and that's about it. $155 exhaust.